Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. Market opens up here in about 12 minutes. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. So we will see what happens. I will keep you updated. Okay, going for some shares here short at 87.25 on Home Depot. Got 260. They're fully in. We'll look to cover at 810 or build a bigger position, which it looks like I will be able to do. I will look to short some more at 87.60 if it can get up there. Big gap up already, so these tend to move up, but they for the most part usually will at least have some sort of pullback before kind of basing out, and then a lot of times heading higher. But so I'm just looking for that original pullback here. So let's see what happens with it. I will pause it and keep you posted if it looks like I'm going to get filled either out of my position or be able to build a bigger position. We'll see what happens. Okay, it's moving pretty fast, so we're getting closer and closer to my 87.10. And this one is displaying some strength here. I would have liked to seen it roll over by now. Maybe this will finally be the rollover. Getting closer. There we go, and I'm out. So there's a 15-cent move. I'm going to keep on looking. Let's see what else is out there. Okay, I have an order into short at 58.15 here on TJX. You can see very overextended. So the same philosophy here that I used on HD was that, yeah, these will make moves up after gaps, but usually will at least pull back a little bit. But we'll see if it can get up there or not. Again, 58.15. I'm going to keep on looking. Going for some shares here at 50.30 on C. You can see very overextended all of a sudden. Actually, I want to raise this up to 35 now that a new candle has started. And pulling back now. All right, I will keep you updated. Going for some shares here at 45.51 of DKS here. That's based off of the 38.2 Fibonacci level on the gap up. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. I will keep you updated. All right, have a order in short, hoping for a rollover, but if it goes up and hits 255.80, I am out. So risking $30 here, and we'll see what happens. You can see it's bumped its head off here a couple of times, so that seems to be the key area of little short-term resistance. Or if it can pull back here and get another leg to the downside, that would be fantastic. But we'll see what happens here. Like I said, risking $30, so I like the risk versus reward here. And I am out, so ended up, well, $39 loss there. And it may fall back down, but you just don't know, or it could pull back up like that. So it didn't work out, but oh well. It was a nice little setup, and if it would have rolled back up, I could have made well more than $39. Just didn't happen. So on to another one. Okay, looking at, I'm in there, 31.15 on JD. We'll look to cover at 31 or build a bigger position. So let's see what happens with it. You can see it's, and I'm out that fast, so 45, but I want to try again, so 31.20. So I'll go 31.25 as a new place to start to build a position. Let's see if it can get up there. Okay, I'm in. We'll look to cover at 31.10 this time or build a bigger position. We'll look to sell some more at 31.60. So let's see what happens here. Good, looking to cover at 31.10. Okay, I'm out of those. Let's see, how high did it go? 31.40. So I will look, whoops, to try again up at 31.49 to start to build a new position. So let's see if it can get up there. Then I'll look to cover at 31.30. Maybe this is finally where it's going to peak out. We shall see. I will keep you updated. Just a quick little update here was Tesla, where I took that loss, and you can see it ended up making a bigger move up and is still hanging around above where my original point was. So I could have deployed my strategy where I build a bigger position up into that move, and I would have been fine right there. But that was not my plan going in. My plan was a different strategy. So you got to follow the plan. So that's why I am out. And like I said, you can see it ended up providing to be a good stop loss because the price is still hanging up here, you know, above even where my stop loss point was. But just a quick little update there. Still searching. We'll see what else I can find. Well, I can't do anything right this morning. Shorted Tesla right here on the break of 50, and it did shoot down, but way too fast. And then it bounced back up, so it stopped me out here. Took a $37 loss on it, and then it rolls back over. So hey, I guess that's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. So I'm still up $59 on the day, but I don't know. This is kind of, I think, where videos get me in trouble, because I'm just kind of making the video for the sake of making it right now. And not that these trades have been bad or anything. It's just, I'm not totally, I don't know. I'm just mentally off. There's some other things I'd rather be working on for the site and stuff like that. So, and yeah, I understand it makes it sound like I'm coming up with excuses, and I guess they are excuses. At the end of the day, it's my own fault. Things aren't working out, but that's how they go. I mean, like I said, none of these have been bad trades. They just haven't worked out. This one I was a tad too soon. It looks like this is going to be the actual move to the downside. So I was just, like I said, one move too short on that one. Again, I shorted right around here at 255.50. You can see my order there, and then stopped out at 255.87. And now the downwards move happened. So I suppose if this one worked out, I'd be saying, hey, yeah, I'm totally focused. But so yeah, I'm pretty much just if you've never watched one of these before, I kind of use these as my little video diary too. Sometimes I just do what I've been doing and talk to myself, and just kind of show what's going on in my head. But regardless, I'm going to keep looking, see if I can find some more trades. But yeah, just a very, very lackluster morning. So let's see what else I can find. All right, I'm going to end this here just for the sake of, I can't stand all the videos out there that are always, and I mean, I'll be honest, I do it. I like to try to do it too, where, you know, half an hour, 1 hour, 45 minutes, you know, $2,000, you know, $800, $1,500. So I'm going to make the title of this video, 45 minutes, $59. That way I can bring a little reality to the situation, that as much as others may try to portray that it's a consistent, you know, half an hour, 45 minutes, first hour of big profits every day, because I never post anything like I'm about to post with this just lackluster disaster of a morning. This will bring some reality. So I'm going to stop it now just so I can make that title, because it is, well, 10:16 now Eastern time. So 45 minutes, $59 profit. That'll make a good realistic title to give people the reality of the situation, and to kind of stick it to all those other people out there that seem to only post those videos when they have big scores within those first amounts of time. But like I said, I'm guilty of doing that too, but I also like to think that I try to present some reality to the situation too. So that's why I'm going to wrap it up here. You know, still plenty of time left in the day, so plenty time left for me to recover. But you know, like I said, I want to have that title to this video, so that's what I'm going to do. Now, if you found this video helpful, I highly doubt you found it helpful in terms of anything, but if you enjoyed the video, go watch some of the other ones. You know, I promise I have some videos where I actually make some money. But click the like button below if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on my site, please leave a comment. Stuff like that goes a long way. Or click one of the share buttons. Just little clicks, you know, really help out. Let me know that you're finding these entertaining and helpful. And as long as that's the case, I'll keep keep making them. Also, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, candlesticks, level 2s, I offer multiple training courses. So all you have to do is go to the training portion of the site, and you can see all that stuff. Everything's very fairly priced. Also have a live trade group with a chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter. Again, very fairly priced. Go out and do price comparisons. At the end of the day, though, I'm totally biased. So read some third-party testimonials and get a good perspective on things from the outside. So thank you for watching, and thank you for being a part of my $59 morning.